Hey leaders, welcome to Fresh Start Monday. I'm Alkema Lewis, your organization leadership alignment partner, and I am back. It is a new week of fresh beginning and a new opportunity for you to lead from your core. I'm also excited to announce that season 4 of my leadership podcast, Leadership Point of View Conversations with Alkema Friends podcast, is streaming now on Apple, Spotify, and iHeart. We are diving deep into a powerful series titled Unmasking Leadership. So, a few days ago, someone asked, why identity? What does it even have to do with leadership? It took me back to a conversation that I was having with a colleague and a friend. I was sharing with them how I'm really wasn't a fan of Halloween. I really don't know how we got on the topic, but in response to me, they shared with me that their child was not a fan of Halloween, especially wearing a mask. And I had a moment, like a light bulb moment, something clicked on the inside of me. And I thought to myself, I know so many leaders that are walking around wearing a mask of confusion, a mask of uncertainty, a mask of compromise, a mask of comparison. And guess what? I can relate to that because I worn those masks too, right? Too many that I can count, right? Because for a very long time, I struggled with my leadership identity. I let my actions and my behaviors tell a story that I did not even recognize, one that showed how disconnected I was from my own true identity. With time and with reflection, I realized something so very important, that any true success, any lasting impact that we'll ever have as leaders doesn't start with what we do. It starts from who we truly are. It starts with our identity. Because when we lead from a place of identity, when we know our values, when we know our purpose, we are driven by our faith, we don't have to chase comparison or validation, right? We can lead from a place of confidence. We can lead compassionately. We can lead courageously because our leadership flows from a place of truth. So today, I want you to take 5 quiet minutes. I want you to find your journal or your notebook or even your notes app on your phone. And I want you to write down 3 words that describe the leader you aspire to be. It could be courageous, it could be compassionate, it could be confident, it could be authentic, it could be faithful, it could be wise, it could be consistent. Whatever those 3 words are, I want you to lead from that place. I want you to respond from that place. And I want you to speak from that place. Why? Because you're leading not only your people, but you're leading yourself. And when you know who you are and when you lead yourself well, everything else will align. So, as we kick off this week, as well as we kick off season 4, I want you to join me on this journey, right? I want you to join me to unpack false expectations that we have of ourselves as leaders. I want us to remove the layers of performance that we've been stuck in for a very long time as leaders. And I want us to rediscover the power of leading from our authentic selves. Because leadership isn't about pretending, it's about becoming who you are truly called to be, and leading from a place of purpose. So be encouraged this week, stay grounded, and have a powerful week of purpose and growth. If this message encouraged you, subscribe for more Fresh Start Monday motivation and share this Fresh Start motivation with a leader that's ready to grow. Peace.